Hello everyone, I'm Rupali Meshram. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my latest updates.
Good morning students. Today we are going to see Standard 5th EVS 2. In first semester exam, you have studied about history. History is a science that tells us about the events in the past. Also, relation between past, present and future. And also the relation between history and us. Also you had studied in first semester exam that the importance of time in history and also the division of periods in history. You had also studied about the evolution of life on earth and the different types of animals in the world. In that, formation of earth, beginning of life on the earth, the animal world on the earth that we had seen. Also we had seen the concept of evolution, the different stages of evolution of animals and about the early man, the concept of evolution, the stage of evolution of animals, invertebrates, vertebrates, amphibian, birds, reptiles, mammals, and about apes. We have studied about the evolution of mankind. Also we had seen in this about the skills which the man used in early stage to develop or to make their work easier. And also we had understood from that the different stages of development of human beings. Homo erectus, Homo habilis, Homo sapiens sapiens, Homo neanderthalensis and Homo sapiens and civilization. How they had, what type of civilization they were having. About that also we have studied in the previous chapter. And in the first chapter of this semester, in second semester, you had studied about and you had understood about the use of stone tools and about the periods in the Stone Age. That is, Old Stone Age or Paleolithic Age, Middle Stone Age or Mesolithic Age and New Stone Age or Neolithic Age. In this, we had seen the types and forms of tools according to the types of task, as the peoples at the early man they were using the stones as according to their need. The Stone Age tools and their differences also we had seen. Old Stone Age, that is Paleolithic Age, here we've seen the Homo habilis and Homo erectus which belongs to this Paleolithic Age. Also we had studied about the Middle Stone Age, that is Mesolithic Age. In this we had seen in the Middle Stone Age the Homo sapiens continued their progress in different ways. And the change in climate, environment, human life also started changing. Means according to change in climate, the peoples also started making changes in their life. About New Stone Age also we had seen, that is Neolithic Age. In that, first time the stone tools polished to give a smooth shiny finish were made in this New Stone Age period, and the work of the early Stone Age man was being easier to them and it had been helping them to make their life easy and to complete their task in a limited duration. So now today we are going to study about the 7th chapter of Standard 5th, that is From Shelters to Village Settlements. In this chapter we are having 3 points: 7.1 Shelter, 7.2 Seasonal Camps, 7.3 Village Settlements. Here we will start with the first 7.1 Shelter. In the 5th lesson, we saw that the Neanderthals lived mainly in caves. At that time, the climate in Europe was extremely cold. The Neanderthals could protect themselves from the freezing temperatures because they wore leather clothing and made use of fire. Perhaps that was not enough. That is why they use animal hides to erect tents inside the caves for warmth. Wherever necessary, they also built huts in the open. So, as in previous content, in the 5th chapter you had seen that what type of caves the Neanderthals they were building, and also they were making use of to protect themselves from freezing temperature. They were using enough clothing and also use of fire we had seen in the 5th chapter. Also, we had seen that the Neanderthals lived mainly in caves as the climate in Europe was extremely cold. So due to which it made them to stay in caves. They wore leather clothes and used fire to protect themselves from freezing cold. So as in Europe the temperature that it is in freezing point, due to which the cold climate is heavier on them, due to which they had started wearing leather clothes and they had started using the fire to protect them from the freezing cold. Also, they erected tent inside the caves to keep them warm. Also, we had seen here that whenever the need arose, they built huts in the open. Means, as according to the situation, they were changing according to the climate, they were changing their lifestyle and also their shelters. In the Middle Stone Age, the climate of Europe was extremely cold, due to which they were using the caves to stay, and when the temperature is normal, they were living in an open area. So, from this content, we can come to know that the people in the Middle Stone Age, the shelter of that people was according to the need. As the need changes, the shelter changes. If it is too cold, they were using leather clothes and they were staying in the caves. And if the temperature is normal, it is not on freezing point, so at that time they were using normal clothes or different leaves to protect them from sun rays, and also different shelters which are lighter, means just to protect from the sun, like they were using or we can say they were staying at open spaces. Here, the climate change on the earth is related to cycles of glacial and interglacial periods. It means that the climate change has given the effect to change the lifestyle of the people at the Stone Age time, and also to change their shelter. Also, they have to change their food and their diet. The climate was extremely cold and dry in the times of Homo habilis during the Old Stone Age. You know this. And also in previous content also we had seen in the Old Stone Age. So the climate during the time of Homo habilis was cold and dry. The climate became warm during the Middle Stone Age. Means it had been kept changing. The climate had been kept changing. First of all, during the time of Homo habilis it was cold and dry, and during the Middle Stone Age period it was warm. And the last glacial period came to an end about 11,000 years ago. The warmer climate during the New Stone Age enabled Homo sapiens to undertake agriculture. Thereafter, agriculture change came about. It means that the seasons made them to change their lifestyle. In Middle Stone Age, during the period of Homo habilis, during the period of New Stone Age, the life had been changed due to change in climate. As in New Stone Age period, the people were understood how to do agriculture. But due to the heavy temperature or due to hot temperature, due to warmer climate, they were unable to do agriculture, due to which they have to change their culture, and they had changed agriculture and they had cancelled agriculture and they had shifted by hunting on the forest again. Means, as according to the situation, they had changed their diet, their clothing, their shelter and their tools also. As according to need, they had started changing their tools. About the second content of seasonal camps, we will see in the next chapter.
Hello everyone, I'm Rupali Meshram. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my latest updates.